Here's how to check if your TV supports Dolby Vision or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings option of your television. After going to the settings option of your television, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the sound, connection, broadcasting, general privacy, support, and picture option. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and go to the sound option because Dolby Vision is actually from the sound or audio output option. Now, once you're already on the sound option, you're gonna do is go to the expert settings or the advanced settings. So this is depending on the television that you have. Sometimes it is called advanced settings, but on the other television, it says expert settings. Now, once you scroll down to the expert settings or advanced settings and you see there the Dolby Atmos, it means that your TV supports Dolby Vision. Now, if you can't see it, it only means that your television does not support Dolby Vision or Dolby Atmos.